My very first Trendmood box came today. Here's everything that's included. They sent me a surprise. This is the First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafe Stick. When I go out and do stuff, I'm usually in my wheelchair, so I don't think I'm gonna be using that. Artsy Rice Essence Toner. This is from April Skin. I've not used any of their products. I do like toners, but I am careful with stuff on my face. So I'm gonna look up some reviews on this stuff beforehand. EM Cosmetics in the shade Foxy. This is the Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner. So I know that is too dark for me, being the shade Foxy. I had looked them up and it was just a guess on what you got. I was hoping for Bunny, for that shade I could do, but Foxy is way too brown and I don't like brown lip liner. So this is gonna go in my somebody gets this that's not me pile. And yeah, I do have that pile. The KVD Full Sleeve Tubing Mascara in Ink Black. How pretty is that? Yay. I have some of her eyeliners and I like them, so I'm looking forward to trying the mascara. I'm not gonna open it yet, but this is gonna go in my, how's my mascara? The Bondi Boost Miracle Hair Mask. I do like hair masks. Sigma, I have a few Sigma lip products that I really like, and this is their lip cream in Begonia. It's a little nudier, but little nude's okay. It's very nude. Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is the Fall Romance palette. Then here's the colors. Oh, those are really dark. So we'll see how this goes.